Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all to this English learning YouTube channel, English Every Day. In today's video, again, we are going to focus on Indian accent, Indian English. Yes, many people from Taiwan, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Japan, they are dealing with the problem. Like when they deal with Indian person, they are facing the problem with natural accent because Indian people, they speak faster. And it is really very difficult for a foreign person to understand what an Indian person speaks about. So don't worry, we have a solution. I'm gonna read one article in Indian accent, and in this video you are going to learn more about how Indian speaks and how they pronounce typical words. So let's go to the computer screen and we'll see how it works. So we are on the screen now, and the topic for the reading we have today is New Year resolution. As you know, like for every year we make a New Year resolution which can make changes into our life. It's like a promise we make to ourselves to do something better from the last year and to get something into our life. So the topic we have is New Year resolution, and in this article I'm going to read this in Indian accent, so you have to pay attention on how I pronounce the words, and that will help you to be more familiar with Indian accent. So I'm going to start reading now. Resolution is a word with more than one meaning. However, when talking about a new year, a resolution is a promise people make to themselves to be better. The person decides to make a serious efforts to something over the next 12 years. Many people use the start of a new year as a time to try something new or change something about themselves. This use of resolution data dates back to the late 70s. These earlier resolutions were usually of a religious nature. However, these days, New Year's resolutions are usually about living healthier, having more success, and finding greater satisfaction in life. So, some common New Year's resolutions are to lose weight, exercise more, keep in contact with family and friends, stop smoking, save money, go back to school, cut back on alcohol, or get more or better sleep. Some people may make a New Year's resolution to improve only one area of their life. Others may feel that they need to completely change everything. These people may use the new year as a time to run over a new leaf. Turning over a new leaf means to make a change and behave in a more responsible manner. All right, so I read each and every word in Indian accent where you found like I was giving more focus on the T sound and D sound. Like, if I find some of the words over here, for example, if I choose contact, like this one. So this word, generally we say like contact, contact, contact. But when you read this in Indian accent, you say contact, contact. I have many contact. So it's like more to give more pressure or focus on that particular sound, like a T sound. And the R sound is usually pronounced, in a spread way. Generally, like when we speak American accent, we don't use R sound. Moreover, we say like perfume, perfume, perfume. And in Indian accent, we say perfume, perfume. The perfume is really nice. All right, so these are the words. You can watch this video again and again to be more familiar with Indian accent. And I will be coming up with more such kind of videos for you that will be helping you to be more close to the Indian accent. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe the channel and have a happy time.